To stop pop-up ads while browsing in Chrome in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or other Android phones, open Chrome browser app. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Scroll down the screen, tap set setting, scroll down the screen. Under content section, tap pop-ups and redirects, and then tap the blue on option next to pop-ups and redirects to disable this option. When the switch runs grey, it means that this option is off and your phone will block site from showing pop-ups and redirects while you are browsing something with Chrome browser app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.